Hi, Lily.
Wow.
Woo! You gonna do it again, Lily?
Of course.
Woo! Woo! You really want to get into that linen closet, huh? Wow!
Oops.
I half expect you to just wander right off. There you go. Look at you. Rock solid. For a few seconds. What did you say?
Sounded like it.
She said bop.
Boink it, boink it, boink it, boink it, boink it.
What'd you say, Lily?
Oh, you're inside. Katie, where's Katie?
Lily, turn around. Hi. Bop. Coming to YouTube soon. Lily Bop. Oh, end of film.